Have you ever wondered what Neuralink can actually do? Let's break it down. This incredible brain-computer interface can read the neural patterns connected to your movements and intentions. Think about moving your arm, and a robotic arm moves. It can also stimulate specific brain regions to help restore lost functions, like giving someone back their sense of sight or the ability to move a paralyzed limb. It's truly revolutionary stuff. But here's what it can't do. It can't read your thoughts, your emotions, or your memories like a science fiction movie. Why? Because our brains don't store ideas like files on a computer. Thoughts and consciousness emerge from an incredibly complex dance of activity across billions of neurons. Neuralink interacts with the signals, the electrical pulses, not the soul or the self. The technology is powerful, but it's still bound by the beautiful complexity of biology. Want to fuel your mind beyond the limits? Subscribe to our channel for more amazing science and tech breakdowns.